there, my friends. I used to have coffee a little while ago. This is Daniel Vargas coming to you from DM Crafters, and I have a quick tip to share with you. If you are a Wix user and you are trying to have your Infusionsoft by Keap web forms be mobile responsive in your Wix website. And I say be mobile responsive, but actually I should say to look mobile responsive. And I say look mobile responsive because I actually make them look mobile responsive. You previously saw the mobile version of my website, and now you see the desktop version of my website. And you noticed that I have a form in my free consultation page that when I go to the mobile version of my site, it is actually mobile responsive, but it is actually looking mobile responsive. And I say looking mobile responsive because I actually have two web forms mounted one on top of the other. Exactly. If I move this web form to the left, you will see that I have a tiny little form hiding right behind a big form. Exactly. So when I go to the mobile version of my website, you will see that I only have a tiny little web form there. It is big enough for my device, and of course the other one, it's been hidden away. And I'd like to show you now how that looks inside Infusionsoft. Here is the sequence for the free consultation request that I have on my page. And you will notice here that I have two web forms. I have a desktop version of the web form, and I have a mobile version of the web form. First, when I'm creating the sequence or any sequence that I need to have a web form on my page, I either have, a template, a standard template that I use over and over. When I did it the first time, right, I'm like, oh my God, will I be able to do it? Is it going to work? Is it going to mess up my page? Is it going to create any issues on my page? It's not creating any damage on my page. You just saw it right now. And if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. So it is totally transparent for anyone coming to my page and leaving their contact information in the form, whether it is the web version of the mobile version, it is totally transparent for them. So let me just show you the web form that I use for the desktop version, just to share with you the dimensions. Look how nice and beautiful it looks. It matches the color of my website, and the layout. The size is, the minimum that I use is 400 by 400. I've gone as far as 500 by 500, depending on the style of the page that I'm working on, depending on the look and feel, depending on the design that I want to have on XYZ page. So this looks nice. It's 400 by 400, and it's big enough to have a little form hiding behind this web form. And just to show you the other one, how tiny it is, and just to show you the dimensions in the layout, you will see that is actually 200 by 200. Font letters size for the other one is 18. Font letter size for this form is, I usually do between 12 and 14, but no more than 14. I believe the size of these letters is the size of this letter are 14. I believe it is. But as you saw, I create two web forms. This actually take me way less time than creating a lead form with Thrive themes, and then connecting that form with the Keap or Infusionsoft by Keap web form. And no, I don't want to go into that. It just takes me too much time. I only create it here. I create two. Bam. It doesn't take me much time. And then adding that here is just the same code we can get from inside. Look, is this just this code, the HTML code? And just grab that HTML and send it over to your Wix website. And look how beautiful that looks.